All right, everyone, buckle up because we got something small, sleek, and seriously powerful to talk about today. Meet the brand new Insta360 Go Ultra, a pint-sized action cam that might just be one of the most exciting pocket-friendly cameras of 2025. Now, if you followed Insta360 over the years, you already know they have a habit of pushing the limits of how tiny yet capable a camera can be. From wearable vlogging companions to mount anywhere adventure cams, their devices are designed to disappear into your life while still capturing cinematic footage. But with the Go Ultra, they've taken that philosophy to the next level. Think of it as a miniature superhero. At first glance, it's small enough to hide in your hand, clip to your shirt, or toss in your backpack pocket without even noticing it's there. But don't let the size fool you. Inside this compact square shell is an action cam loaded with upgrades, designed to deliver professional-looking results without the hassle of bulky gear. And hey, before we dive deeper, if you enjoy breakdowns like this, don't forget to hit like, tap subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss the latest from Lens Loop. Now, let's break it down. Let's kick things off with the design. The Insta360 Go Ultra doesn't just shrink down into a smaller package. It reinvents itself with a new, flatter square look compared to the Go 3S. It feels chunkier, sure, but that added shape gives it better grip and mounting versatility. Measuring around 30 by 30 millimeters and weighing just 53 grams, it's unbelievably compact. We're talking lose it between your couch cushions small, and if you clip it to your shirt, don't be surprised if someone mistakes it for a futuristic microphone. The design feels functional, minimal, and futuristic all at once, like a cross between an action cam and something straight out of an Apple design sketch. But the true magic of the Go Ultra lives inside. The standout upgrade here is the 1/1.28-inch image sensor. That's a serious jump from the Go 3S. Bigger sensors mean more light, and more light means better image quality. Whether you're recording under bright sunlight at the beach, wandering through a forest trail, or trying to vlog at midnight in your kitchen, the footage stays sharp, detailed, and vibrant. Low-light performance has always been a weak spot for tiny action cams, but the Go Ultra looks like it's out to fix that. Then there's video performance. The Go Ultra now records in 4K at 60 frames per second. That's double the smoothness of the previous model, which maxed out at 30 frames per second. The result? Crisp, lifelike motion that looks polished whether you're skateboarding, biking, or just chasing your dog around the park. And speaking of dogs, yes, strapping this cam to your pup's collar is a thing now, and the results are hilarious and surprisingly cinematic. Of course, smooth footage isn't just about frame rate. Insta360's trademark flow state stabilization is built in, ensuring your clips stay steady even if your life doesn't. Pair that with 360 degrees horizon lock. You can tilt, roll, or spin without your footage looking like a dizzy roller coaster ride. Add in the 156 degrees wide field of view, and suddenly your tiny cam feels like it's capturing on an IMAX scale. Another standout feature is charging speed. Wired charging takes the Go Ultra from 0 to 80% in just 10 minutes. That's ridiculously fast. Imagine this. You're about to head out on a trail. Realize your cam is dead. Plug it in while you lace up your shoes, and boom, it's ready before you even step outside. No more missing the moment, because your gear was stuck at 10%. And like its predecessors, the Go Ultra isn't just about the camera alone. The ecosystem of accessories and modular mounts makes it endlessly adaptable. Clip it on your backpack strap, your bike handlebars, your hat, or even your car dashboard. A new magnetic attachable viewfinder gives creators more control when framing shots, while the flip-up screen ensures you're not just filming your forehead during vlogs. Durability is another given here. While we don't have final specs yet, you can expect reliable water and dust resistance, making it a trustworthy companion, whether you're at the beach, hiking through mud, or simply caught in an unexpected downpour. And yes, it comes in two finishes, sleek black or clean white, giving you a choice of style while still keeping that iconic Insta360 design language. All told, the Insta360 Go Ultra feels like a carefully refined evolution of the Go series. Smarter design, a bigger sensor, faster frame rates, ridiculously quick charging, and stabilization tech that punches way above its weight. This isn't just a fun little gadget. It's shaping up to be a legitimate rival to much larger action cameras, while being far more convenient to carry. So here's the bottom line. The Insta360 Go Ultra isn't just another tiny camera. It's a redefinition of what a pocket-sized action cam can do. A design that's flatter and easier to mount, a sensor that captures twice the light of its predecessor, buttery smooth 4K 60 frames per second recording, lightning fast charging, and stabilization tech that makes even the wildest footage look cinematic. What's most impressive is how all of that comes wrapped in a camera that literally disappears into your daily life. Clip it on your shirt and vlog hands-free. Mount it on your bike and hit the trail. Or toss it in your pocket and forget it's even there until the moment strikes. For creators, travelers, athletes, or even parents capturing everyday adventures, the Go Ultra feels like a camera that just works without getting in the way. At the end of the day, the Go Ultra isn't just small for the sake of being small. It's small with purpose. And sometimes the tiniest tech ends up leaving the biggest impact. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who loves cameras as much as you do. This is Lens Loop, and that was your closer look at the Insta360 Go Ultra.